Fresh gongkai is crisp and refreshing. It can be mixed, stir-fried, or boiled in hot pot. It is a dish that is very popular with everyone. Fresh gongkai can also be vacuumed for long-term preservation. I will take you to understand the packaging solution. Elemotion is dedicated to providing food packaging services. It has various pre-cooked food packaging equipment. It can package ready-to-hot, ready-to-heat, and ready-to-eat products. Today, I will take you to the Fresh Gongkai pre-packaged food packaging site to have a look. Elemotion can package all kinds of pre-cooked dishes. For season 8, don't miss it.